What do I pack for a concert? I got a lot of questions asking about Lollapalooza. I'm here to answer it. What to pack, what to wear? Although there is no dress code, you need to follow the rules of fashion. Lola also posted this on their social media if you're going for Louis. If you want to stand out and have the best time, it's like the Coachella of India. Showcase your fashion with the best foot forward. Do not wear heels, wear comfortable shoes. As you can see, the map is huge and the stages are far away from each other. However, if you're camping for an artist, there are two stages at the opposite of each other and you can sort of see what is happening at the next stage through the projector. People dress in boho chic fashion, crazy outfit, eccentric hairstyles. So your makeup has to be on point. However, makeup is not allowed in the venue. These are the items that are not allowed. For bags, these are the acceptable sizes. And if you're planning to bring a tote, it should not be bigger than 12 inches. If you suffer from migraine or sunstrokes, don't forget to bring a cap. It can get really hot as it's an open field. My personal favorite is to carry the fanny pack, and water bottles are not allowed. You get these reusable cup for $100 at the venue. They come with a band and they come with a hook that you can clasp. Water is free at the venue and there are many different water stations with cold water option. Pack sunglasses because it's going to be very bright in the heat, and a cap because it's going to be very hot as it's an open ground. Get ID, power bank, cash, towel, sanitary napkins, wet wipes. I also carry these loop earbuds because they are concert friendly. They're designed so that it doesn't get too loud in the concert and you can hear the music properly, but at the same time you wouldn't hear the crowd. My most favorite item is this portable fan, and if you want to be stylish, you can go for this.